we're going to find closed sums. So we're going to do a simple example, shouldn't be too bad. This example right here. And if you guys look at your guys' textbook, or whatever textbook, any textbook, we can separate the sums. That is I squared plus 2 just like that. This is valid statements. So the sum as of I squared, it's a property that we went through in my previous video if you guys want to watch that, or if you guys know it, all the better. Then you also have so I'm just rewriting the sums in terms of n. So this sum is also equal to this. It's a property, and so it's kind of hard for me. I'm using my phone. I don't have a camera. I'm broke. So now two cancel. So here, if we expand, I'm gonna do this real quick. Then put everything in common denominators. And then we can, add each terms, common terms, or you can factor out an n. But I'm gonna add the common terms first. Over 6, factoring n. Okay, factoring n. Sorry, and then if you factor this, you will get and that is your answer. Okay. Holding my phone at the same time. So that's the first example. Let's go through another one. So the other example is slightly more difficult. It's going to be as 2i subtracted by I squared. So this is the example we're going to do. Again, as I did in the previous example, I'm going to separate each sum. Now when you get better at this, you guys can it gets easier, so you guys don't have to separate it, you just can tell. So for this sum, this is kind of tricky because we do have a property for we do have a property for powers, and if I rewrite that, so it's pretty much this. If you're taking the sum right here, this is the property. However, it's not it's kind of difficult to see how it applies here. There's a trick to it. And I'll show you right now. You say 2 to the power of negative 1 plus 1. Now I'm just subtracting 1 and adding 1. Again, I haven't changed the terms, so it's completely valid. squared. And now I can apply this formula, leaving me with 2 to the n subtracted by 1 to negative 1. Okay? And since you're adding 1, you also have to take into consideration the factor 2n outside. So there's the sum of n squared, fairly simple, over 6, just like that. And here you get 2n, negative 2n over 1 just rewriting terms. So I did a mistake. Just want to notice that here it's not 2n, it's just 2. So that plus 1 is a factor of 2, not 2n. Did that mistake. So this translates as 2n times 2 subtracted by 2 over 1. Over 6, which is also 2n plus, is also 2n plus 1 subtracted by 2 is equal to this term. Alright, that's the answer. Should Okay, awesome. Thank you. And next video we'll go through telescoping sums. And calculating areas. It's a good concept to learn. And see you next time. And good luck.